Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set your primary email address on GitHub. Now, go ahead and click your account on the upper right hand side and click on settings, guys. And under settings, you'll find email under its access. Click on the emails. Now, let me explain how this actually works. Now, in order to change your primary email, you need to have a second email address that is verified. Now, to verify the email, I'm going to go ahead and just remove it and kind of explain to you how it actually works. So if you want to add an email, you just need to enter the new email address here, click and add. What it's going to do is going to ask you to verify it. It will send an email to the current verified primary email address, and it will look something like this. Now you just need to go ahead and copy this code here, authentication number there, and then you'll be able to go back and enter that code, then click and verify. Now, once it is verified, you will receive another email that basically looks like this. I'm going to share with you that in a moment. So let me go back to this. You're going to receive an email that looks just like this, and you'll need to verify and sign into your account and complete the process. And once that is completed, guys, you will be able to have a second verified email here. Now, once it is done, that email address will show up under this section here, and you can click between the two, select your primary email address, and that's pretty much it. Then you will realize now that the primary email is now switched. And if you want to delete any email address after that, you can always go ahead and click the three dots and delete. So let's say this was my primary email. I could have clicked on it, simple click delete, and then know that my primary email address is changed. And that's it, guys.